Today we have a discussion about formal versus informal words. First one, informal, think about. Formal, consider. Second one, informal, talk about. Formal, discuss. Third one, informal, look into. You can say like resemble, informal. In informal, you can say go ahead. Informal, you can say proceed. In informal, you can say have to. Informal, you can say need to. In informal, you can say give. Informal way, you can say provide. So informal way, you can say like book the ticket or book the seat. So informal way, you can say like reserve. So informal way, you can say for look for. It is nothing but formal way, it is nothing but seek. And then last one, just comment what will be the answer. In informal, the question is chance. What is the formal way answer? Normal English vessels, better English. Normal English, sorry, I fell asleep. Better English, sorry, I nodded off. Normal English, I'm very busy. Better English, I'm swamped. Normal English, why are you so hungry? Better English, why are you so pissed off? Normal English, let's meet today. Better English, let's catch up today. Normal English, I'm very happy. Better English, I'm over the moon. Normal English, I'm very good. Better English, I'm excellent. Normal English, I'm not interested in singing. Better English, singing is not my cup of tea. Normal English, I'm very hungry. Better English, I'm starving. Normal English, I'm very tired. Better English, I'm exhausted. Normal English, you have to decide. Native speaker, make up your mind. Normal English, I'm listening to you. Native speaker, I'm all ears. Normal English, I don't understand it. Native speaker, I don't get it. Normal English, I have not seen you in ages. Native speaker, long time no see. Normal English, it's easy. Native speaker, it's a piece of cake. Normal English, you are so intelligent. Better English, your point of view is so refreshing. Normal English, can I come tomorrow? Better English, can I drop in tomorrow? Normal English, I am fine. Better English, I couldn't be better. Normal English, she is pregnant. Better English, she is expecting a baby. Thank you. Have a nice day.